Recording in progress.
So what's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna show y'all how I the basics on how I trade, right? How I enter trades and stuff. How I send them out, how I look at the market, all that, right? So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna share my screen. Hold on, let me share my screen. All right, so we're on trading view right now. So when I look at the markets, right? The first thing I do is I go on forexfactory.com, and on there is it show you the news on every currency pair, what it's doing, what it tell you what to trade, what not to trade, right? Give you red folders, yellow folders, gray folders, as I told you before, what they mean. So before this video, so I've see, look at that day. Right now, the market not open today. Today is on Saturday, but if it was like Monday, I'll look at the Monday journal, see what's going on in that day. Right now, USD, I want to trade USD and GPY, but the rest of them I will trade. Right, so I look at that. First thing I do, I look at the Forex Factory for news on the currency pairs, and then the second thing I do is I go on fxblue.com, right? And I look at the currency strength meter, right? See what pairs is stronger and what pairs is weak, right? So right now, GBP, CAD, Chef, JPY, and gold is strong right now. US Euro and US dollar, Bitcoin, AUD, NZD, they weak right now, right? So I'll look at that, see what pairs is stronger and what pairs is weak, right? So we about to go on back to trading view, right? And the pair we're gonna be using is your AUD. All right. So what we're gonna do is first thing we're gonna do is zoom out. We're gonna go on a daily time frame. All right. Go on daily time frame and see what trend it is. All right. So right now it's like it's kind of not in a trend right now. It's in a mini. It's in a mini uptrend right now. All right, where it stopped right here. Right. Well, it's not really a trend because they didn't make the three points. Can't really call it a trend. So we're gonna go on a different pair. It's trending or something. On a different pair. Hold up, hold up. Let's see what this is doing. All right. So right now. Good confirmation right there. All right. So then I would draw my trend line. Mm. So I told you before. Hold up. I told you before. Let me fix that. Hold up. I should come there. Alright, we're not just gonna draw that line, but as I told you before, a trend is always gonna be a zone, but it's not letting me draw a zone. So I can't do it right now unless wait, hold on, I'm gonna just get this. Hold up. And delete that. Alright. I'm gonna get this regression trend. Just do it like that. Bam. Bam. Be there. Alright. That's the first thing I do is figure out what trend it is and what currency pair is stronger. Right now, CAD is stronger, so therefore it's in a downtrend, right? So if it's in a downtrend, what I'm going to be looking for, I'm going to be looking for sales that whole day, all right? I'm going to look for sales that whole day, so I'm going to mark up my supply and demands and support and resistances, right? So on daily, some support, some resistances is, let me see, right here, right here, there, right? Let me see. Let me see. Go on. This is a support right there. So let me color code these. These some resistances. Go up. Make them red. See the cross line. I like the cross line because it shows you the month, the day, and the numbers on the side. Also, like make a vertical and a horizontal line. So I know once it passed that that day, it's going to either make a big move down or up, right? So, and it also show you support and resistances. As you see, the zones that I marked up is rejecting right off them zones and either going down or up, right? Right. So this is, I'm gonna leave it like that, right? Then now, I'm gonna mark up some supports. Why? Because just in case the market come all the way down to my support. Just in case the market come all the way down to my support, I already got it marked up. So when they come down, rejects, bam, I'm in there already. Mm-hmm. All right, so I'll mark up some supports. Boom. And I will go on. These are daily zones. And I will go on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour. And do the same thing. Find my resistances, my supports. This resistance. Resistance. Support right here. Support right here. Support. Find that. Go on the 1-hour. This is more. I know I said basics, but this is more on an advanced level. I know y'all like all these zones and stuff you could barely see, but my eyes is like this is clear to me. So when the market come down into these zones, I could just enter. I mean, quick and easy, make a little pips, get out, enter again. You know, so I'll go to the hour. Hour, look for some support resistance. Oh, that right back here. Look for some support. Look for some support and resistances. Try and look and see, just in case. You're probably already marked up. Yeah, already marked up. So we'll do that, and then once I do that, all right, we're looking for sales. So I look on the lower time frames to find my entries, like the 30-minute or the 15, right? So the 30-minute is giving me a sell position right here, right? All right, short sell position on the 30-minute. Boom. You see how market came down, rejected off of this, came up, rejected, then bounced right down, came up, bounced, boom, boom. Now it came up again, it's doing the same thing. So it's gonna come up. It's gonna do this. Wait, hold on, let me get this little thing. It's gonna do that. Boom, 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 boom. Right. That's what it's gonna do. So that's what I'm seeing that it's gonna do. Because it did it previously. Right. Did it previously. So that's a small resistance on a smaller time frame. This would be my entry when they come back up right here. Come back up on the number 2, come back up, hit that zone again. I would enter at 1.25613, right? So enter right there, and then we'll drop, make a little pullback. That's another entry, and drop again. Boom. This could have been your TP, or this pullback right here could have been your TP. Got back in. No, this right here could have been your TP. Number 3 got back in on a pullback on number 4. This would have been in the TP2. You know what I mean? So, right. So we'll do that. And how I would send it out is you could either do a sell limit, you could do a sell stop, or you could just do a market execution, right? So I'm gonna do all 3 with y'all, right? So I'll write out. We're gonna do USD CAD sell market execution. Okay, execution. Hold up. See. Let's look at what was TP. We gotta mark that out first. We gotta look at the TP. So the TP, we got it right here. The TP would have been, that's TP1. TP2, and this TP3, right? So stop loss been right here. It's a stop loss, all right? So TP1 is 1.25401. TP2 is 1.25251. TP3 is 1.25091. Stop loss is 1.25815. That's the stop loss. All right. So boom. USD, CAD, sell, boom. That's for market execution. Now how you would do a sell limit, you do hold on, let me mark this up. You can do this. You would have the same TPs, right? Let me say USD, CAD, sell, limit, entry, 1.25608, TP, 1.25518, TP2, 1.25401, TP3, 1.25251. So wait, no, I said five. Wait, so TP1 would have been 401. TP2 would have been 251. TP3 would have been 091. And stop loss would have been 1.25815. Right? And the limit, the sell limit, right? The sell limit, the sell stop would have been right here. Right here, right? Right there. Boom. And TP. I would have moved TP1 down a little bit. Why? Because this is going to be the entry for the sell stop. So I'll move TP1 right here. And then I would move entry. I would move stop loss down more, probably to about right here. Move stop loss. Right. You got to move the stop loss. All right, so then you will draw that out like this. And then write it out like this. USD, CAD, sell, stop, entry. Entry was 1.25 for 11. TV1 1.25 329 CP2 1.25 251 CP3 1.25 091. All right, stop loss be different. It's 1.25 585, and the reason I changed the stop loss because you don't want your stop loss that far and lose all that money, right? And just in case you try to reverse or something. So we're gonna set the stop loss nice and tight, and that's how I will write my signals out. Boom, as y'all see, all of them market execution, sell, stop, sell limit, all three of them y'all can see, right? And boom, that's how I send that out, right? And if you want to do the pips, add the pips, little pips to it, you could let's zoom in. You get the roller right over here, roller measuring tool. Then we'll go for an entry. Let's see, for the market execution, the entry was right here at this white line. To TP1 was right here. That would have been 20 pips. Then TP2 was right here. That would have been 36 pips. TP3, 52 pips, right? And the stop loss was up here, I believe, it was right here. The stop loss was only 19 pips. So, yeah. All right, and so if you want to count pips. So, yeah, that's how I analyze the market. I hope y'all understand and like this video. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. And thank y'all for watching. And I'm in the video. I'll see y'all next video.